Hi, hello. Today I'm going to share to you how I grow slips from sweet potato or kamote tubers. You know, we Filipinos love sweet potato leaves. They have mild bittersweet note which is healthily delicious for soup or salad recipes. Hence, I make sure I grow them in spring so I get ample supply for family and friends during the growing season. So, how I grow? As you can see here, I place the potatoes in ziplock bag with water, ensuring the water is about half of the potato level. So you can also use jar or any container that can hold water and the potato. I just make sure I refill each bag with water from time to time to make sure the potato is dipped in water. I place them by the window for light, but they grow better in warm place like near the heater, especially during winter indoor planting. Here, there, it's after 2 weeks, so you can see roots developing. And here are the slips that sprouted in about 3 weeks. At this point, you can start detaching the slip and let roots grow in water. Or when you see roots in the slips, you can also plant them into container. This is April 24th, which is a month after starting. So I just planted the slips into hanging container because this is actually an ornamental sweet potato. They produce yellow-green vines, and you can see this variety in planters, especially during during summer. They are very pretty. And here is June 5th, my ornamental sweet potato vines in planter. Here's another variety I have, although I haven't shown the tubers when I started growing slips from them. But here, now I am reaping the harvest. This variety has more tender leaves and sweeter taste, and so this is what I use for cooking. They come from cream or brownish skin. And this is how I cook sweet potato leaves, salad, kamote tops. Simple. Just slice up onion, then add fish sauce and lemon juice, then use it to season the steamed kamote leaves. And voila, you can enjoy ensaladang kamote, the Filipino way. This is a very good complement for anything fried or baked, like fish or pork chop or chicken or baked meat and even barbecues. So that's all, folks. That's what I'm going to share to you today. I hope this inspires you to propagate your own. If you have no planting space, use your balcony. Just plant them in big containers like 20-inch diameter, and you'll enjoy whole season of sweet potato leaves. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video today. I'll see you next time again. Thank you and bye-bye.